सही है कि पुलिस वाले थोड़ा मतलब मुझे घसीट के ले गए, कान में कह रहे थे कि इस सरकार को हटाइए. Treat me 5 times worse, I don't care. The focus has to be on what was done to the students. I am used to getting punched and all, it's not a problem. सही है कि पुलिस वाले थोड़ा मतलब मुझे घसीट के ले गए, बट कान में कह रहे थे कि इस सरकार को हटाइए. एक्चुअली मैं राजस्थान का हूं, इनको हटाइए. हम सिर्फ वर्दी पहने हैं. दूसरा कह रहा है मैं हरियाणा का हूं, इनको हटाइए. तो दैट सेंटिमेंट इज देयर एंड सच्चाई एवरीबॉडी नोस. ओके, उन बेचारों को मतलब ऑर्डर एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है तो वो करने हैं. बट इवन पुलिस इज नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. Sensible police people feel that this is a crime that has been done to the future of our country. This is a crime that is being done to the people we love. They can see their children in this. तो पहली बात वो है. दूसरी बात देखिए, यहां तो बड़ा क्लियर है. This is the demand of the students. We fully support it. And whatever Andolan is taking place on this front, in Delhi, in any state, anywhere, that has to do with these issues, has to do with student issues, Congress party 100%, me 100%, and the opposition as a whole 100% is supporting this. We are going to continue supporting it. The deeper problem is the government. There is a fundamental issue on jobs that is causing tremendous pain, and I've already said that we are heading into a storm. This is just signs that the storm is coming. But when the Iran war impact is felt, then you will see that there will be serious problems coming as a result of the pain that is being caused to farmers, to students, to other people. How I was treated is an irrelevant issue to me. I don't care. Treat me 5 times worse, I don't care. The focus has to be on this. The focus has to be on what was done to the students. The focus has to be on the education system, on paper leaks, and on the costs that these children have been forced to pay.